Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Bichi Philip. Today we are going to learn active voice and passive voice. You all know that most of the sentences are in active voice. Only a transitive verb has two voices, the active and the passive. An transitive verb has only an active voice. It has no passive voice. You have already seen the transitive and intransitive verb in my previous video. Okay, now let's see one example of active voice. Rohan writes an essay. Here the subject is Rohan, writes is the verb, the object is an essay. So Rohan writes an essay. So that means who is the doer of the action? Rohan is the doer and he is acting. What is he doing? He is writing an essay. So the verb is writes. Okay. This is in active voice. Okay, clear? Now let's see the passive voice. An essay is written by Rohan. Here the subject is an essay. It does not do anything. Something is done to it. The verb is written is said to be in the passive voice. The object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Okay, clear? Now, see. Again, look at the first sentence. Rohan writes an essay. Subject plus verb plus object. Now, how you will change this in the passive voice? First, you should write object plus helping verb plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject. Rohan writes an essay. What is the object? An essay. So O, that is an essay. Object plus, then what you need is helping verb. The sentence is in the present tense. So the helping verb is an essay. An essay is singular. So an essay is, then writes past participle form is written. An essay object plus helping verb is plus past participle form of the verb written plus by plus subject, that is by Rohan. Okay, clear? You should always write like this: object plus helping verb plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject. This is the formula of passive voice. Okay, clear? Now, let's see a sentence which contains two objects. They gave me a brief reply. They subject, gave verb, me is the object. And another object is a brief reply. Both are here object. So how we will write in the passive voice? First you have to write the object. Here object is me. So it will become, it is converted into I. And they gave, this is past tense. So helping verb will be in past tense. So I was, gave past participle form is given. I was given what? A brief reply by them. So no need to write by them. So the answer will be I was given a brief reply. Now we should use the next object. Okay. For example, object is a brief reply. A brief reply was given to me by them. Okay. By them is not necessary. It's okay if you write or if you don't. Clear, children? because this sentence contains two objects. You can write in any way. See, I was given a brief reply by them, or a brief reply was given to me by them. Both are correct. Now, let's see how to change a imperative sentence into passive voice. Okay, for example, open the door. Here there is no subject, only object is there. Open the door. Open is the verb plus object. So you have to add let, the word let in passive voice. Let, then what you have to write? The object. Let plus the object plus BEB plus ED form of the verb. Clear? What is the formula? Let plus object plus BEB plus ED form of the verb. So the answer will be let the door be opened. Another example. Don't punish her. This is negative sentence in imperative. This is also imperative sentence, but the sentence is in negative. First sentence was a imperative positive sentence. Open the door. Okay. Don't punish her. First you have to write let. Then the object is her. Let her do not, that is a not. BEB, punished, ED form of the verb. Let her not be punished. Clear, children? What is the formula? Let plus object plus BEB plus ED form of the verb. Clear? Now, another example, we will see another example. Read this lesson at home, please. Read this lesson at home, please. Again, this is imperative sentence positive. Read this lesson at home, please. Okay? You can write like this. You are requested to read this lesson at home, because please. So, instead of please, you can write you are requested. You are requested then to read this lesson at home. No need to write please. Instead of please, what we have written? You are requested. Clear, children? Let's move on to next, that is simple present tense. Let's see how we can write the active voice if the question is in simple present tense. He reads a book. Passive voice will be a book is read by him. A book is the object. He is the subject. Reads is the verb. And a book is the object. So your answer will be object plus helping verb plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject. A book is read by him. Another example. The servant cook food. Answer is the same way. Food is cooked by the servant. Okay. Here food is one item. That is why we used is. Food is, that is singular. Food is cooked by the servant. They build houses. The sentence is in simple present tense, and here the object is not in singular, it is plural, houses. Then you have to use are. Houses are built by them. Okay, clear, children? Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Thank you, students.